another back with a new video, and today it's kind of taking over the world. And today we are going to review my fidget spinners. And now I only have two, but in the future I'll have some more. So this one that I just got yesterday, really smooth. It's the tie-dye clear one. So let me just do this spin. So here's the whole thing. There's orange, pink, and blue. And the center is obviously orange. And also I got this idea from Kayleen's Life. So let me just spin it. So smooth. Anyways, so this is the new one, super fast, super cool. And then now this is mini and this one is huge. This is the only one that I have before I had this one. So here's this one. I actually have a Snapchat. Where's my phone? So I actually have a Snapchat of me doing my fidget spinner. So another one. So yeah, that was my snap, and let's see how long can this hold. 3, 2, 1. Hold on, let me do it with my right hand. Ah! Sorry about that. Goes super fast, but we're actually gonna time this to see how long can it go. So here's the other one right here, and here's the other one. Let me scoot back so you can see. Let me just scoot my chair. So here are the two. You can see it perfectly. I will time it, and then I'm going to do the stopwatch. So let us spin this. Hold on, it's too close. There goes the. Let's see which one will hold. And you can go like this if you want. It's currently the time watch time. It's too bright. Hold on. Ooh, girl. Ooh, this one stopped and this one's still going. Oopsies. It's still going? Oh my god. So here's the time now. The stopwatch time. Ooh! And stop. 52 minutes and 36 seconds for the pink one. And then now we're gonna do the rainbow. Look at that. You can blow on it. I'm just gonna do that. It's regaining its energy. If it's past, if it passed this time, this will be my fastest fidget spinner. Oh. That much. It passed. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Still going. It's still going. I blew on it and then it became really fast. Oh guys. Holy crap. I'm actually gonna stop it when it turns 2 minutes. Ooh, God. So here's the pink one. Spins really good. When it turns to 2 minutes, it's the champion. It just turned. Oh my God. It's still going. 2 minutes, 7 minutes in 0.99. Okay. So this was in 52 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. Now, this is what I've wanted to do for my whole life. That's why I got my fidget spinners. So we're gonna do this. For real. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Look at that bottom, the top. Oh, it's such a good combination. And now let's try it on the table. 3, 2. Oh my God. This is why I love fidget spinners so bad. It's because whenever you're fidgeting, I'm that type of person who's like, with their pencil like that, like tapping their pencil on their desk. I was like, I want something to move my hands. So this is why. So I say this one is super smooth. And by the way, oh what? There you go. I got both of these in Walgreens, but this is actually a lot smooth. It's a lot like skinnier. Three, two, one. Look at that beauty. It kind of stops, but that's fine. So yeah, and then this one is pure plastic. The place that I live in, we got a Walgreens here, but most of the people in my school got it from 7-Eleven. You can like definitely, buy it somewhere else other than 7-Eleven. I got these two from Walgreens. My friend has a huge stack of fidget spinners, and I just gotta say, he has a lot, and his name is Keanu. He goes to my school, so yeah. Should work faster than my hands. So yeah, this is the review. Usually I do slime videos and stuff, but that's all in the past. Why is this not working? Oh, there it is. Just kind of, let's give it a good push. Kind of goes, there you go. Just gonna keep doing like that. Bam. Brand new fidget spinners. Gonna get more in the future, but this is all I have right now. Let's just have a quick area where there's a lot of fidget spinners movement. thing. So yeah, brand new. Oh, also cool. And also, if you're wondering if you have a Walgreens nearby, I got this on this side register where, you know, like the candy bars are held and stuff. Yeah, I got it from that kind of area. So yeah, that's where I got this fidget spinner and this fidget spinner. Comment down below which one you like. Okay.